Greetings, class. I am going to do this short lab tutorial just to help you with the week 4 lab, which is the alcohol density problem. It says in the pre-lab that you need to do calculations on with the 70% stock solution so that you can figure out how much of the stock solution you need to add to make all of the different dilutions. So you have a 0.5% dilution, a 7% dilution, and a 24% dilution. We are going to work on the 7% dilution for this video. And for that, I did the calculation and the volume comes out to be 10.0 milliliters. And so what you want to do is, according to the instructions, this is for number 3. For part A, you want to fill a 250 milliliter beaker with distilled water. And so I have on my workbench the distilled water, my 250 milliliter beaker. And so you're going to go, I think you have to bring the water to the beaker. It's a different way you have to do it. Let me see if that's right. All right, so you have to bring the water to the beaker and you want to fill it up. So you want to do a 250 and then you're going to pour it. And so you have it. So you have your beaker of water and you're going to use that to do all your dilutions. And so part 2 says you want to transfer the 100 milliliter volumetric flask to the scale and then tare the scale. So you're going to take the volumetric flask to the scale and you want to tare the scale, okay? And then you want to add the previously computed amount of 70% stock alcohol solution to the graduated cylinder using the precise option for pouring, and then transfer this amount to the volumetric flask. Okay, so we have our graduated cylinder. We want to measure out 10 mils because that's what we calculated. So we're going to put the solution over the graduated cylinder, and it says you want it to be precise, so you're going to do 10.0 milliliters and you're going to pour it, okay, and you see that it's on the 10, so we are done with that. So we have our solution, and now you want to transfer this amount to the volumetric flask. So you're going to take the graduated cylinder, put it over the volumetric flask, and you want to pour 10.0 milliliters. So you're gonna do that, and it's poured into the flask, okay? So once you put it in the flask, you want to dilute the aliquot using the precise option for pouring. So you want to dilute this with the water, okay? And it says you want to use the precise. So we know we put 10 milliliters in there, so we want to add the other 90, okay, to make it 100. So you pour it in there and you see that it's exactly at 100. Once you've done that, now it says you want to record the final mass. So our final mass here is 88.8165 grams. So that's what you record. Now you want to compute your density. Remember, your density is mass over volume. So your mass is 88.8165 grams. Your volume is 100.00 milliliters. When you divide the two numbers, you will get a density 0.8165. You'll get a density of 0.888165 grams per milliliter. Remember to show all your calculations for your lab report. And so I just did for the 7% alcohol solution. You're going to do the same process for the 0.5% and also for the 24%. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you and have a great day.